Hi, I am with my dogs today. This is Mixie and this is Lala. We're going to learn more words today by means of this small, or rather this prayer. I just would like to share this prayer to you. Okay, this here, here, okay. Dear God, thank you for fresh day, fresh life, fresh hope, fresh mercy, fresh love. Help us, Lord, to give this freshness. Okay, just have to put it on the next page. Okay. Freshness to others and reflect you through our thoughts and actions. Let the freshness of God's mercy be with all of us throughout this day and forever. Amen. The first word, Mixie is not cooperating today. So active. Okay, the first word is fresh. In Tagalog, we can say it bago. In Bicol, bago. They have both the same spelling, but we have to pronounce it differently. Again, in Tagalog, it's bago. And in Bicol, bago. Then the second word is life. Both Tagalog and Bicol, we call it as buhay. Another one is hope. Both Tagalog and Bicol, pag-asa. Another word is mercy. Both Tagalog and Bicol, awa. Another one, thoughts. Both Tagalog and Bicol, isipan. Another word is help. In Tagalog, we can call it tulungan. And in Bicol, tabangan. Again, help. In Tagalog, tulungan. And in Bicol, tabangan. Okay. Another word is reflect. Reflect in Tagalog, ipakita. And in Bicol, ipahiling. And another word is words. In Tagalog, you can say it salita. And in Bicol, taram. The last word is actions. And we can say it in Tagalog, gawa. And in Bicol, gibo. In my last video, I forgot a lot of relatives and friends, especially Au, Ate Susan, Cora Cadores. My apology, belated Happy Mother's Day. And if you remember this, in my last video, I taught you already how to say thank you in Tagalog and Bicol. If you remember, if you say thank you in Tagalog, salamat sa iyo. And in Bicol, mabalos sa imo. Thank you for always continue watching video. Have a great day and God bless you. Lala, come here. We're going to say goodbye. Bye! And hope to see you again in my next video. Have a great day.